how to fix Instagram post stuck on preparing. If you're trying to post something immediately but your Instagram post is stuck on preparing, the major issue might be with your internet connection, because if you're using an unstable internet connection, your post might be stuck and not uploading completely. So first, make sure that your internet connection is stable and pretty fast. Once you do that, your post should be posted. That is because sometimes when you're on mobile data, the data connection might be pretty slow, so try switching your connection to Wi-Fi network, or if you're on Wi-Fi and you're still facing the problem, then you might want to switch to mobile data for once. After you do that, most of the times the problem will be sorted. But if that doesn't fix the problem, then what you want to do is check if the Instagram servers are down. So to check that, just open your browser and search for "is Instagram down." So you will see this website, something like this, that's called Down Detector. Just tap on it and check if the Instagram is down. So here are all of the Instagram outages reported in the last 24 hours. So if you see the spikes are really high, then that means that you're not the only one having the problem. So in this case, you can just wait for some time for the servers to go back up and then post your stories or your posts. So as you can see, Instagram is pretty stable in the past 24 hours. Only 53 at the top has been reported. Those outages has been reported in the last 24 hours. So it's pretty stable for now. But in your case, if you see a higher number of outage, then that means you're not the only one having the problem. So just wait for a bit and the Instagram server should be up and running in a while. Then you can normally use the app. And that's how you can fix posts stuck on preparing on Instagram. I hope you found the video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.